Rolling.
Alright, we are trying to, once again, same freaking Subaru. The other side needs brakes. Who saw such horrible thing? Oh, try to take this bracket off again. Got my caliper off. Got my bottom one off. The top one doesn't want to break loose. Well, caliper does not want to break loose. Pop these out. Had a shorter thing before, I think. Screwdriver.
Yep.
Ah. Yeah, these are not as bad as the other side. Definitely need to be fixed. Propped. This side's propped. See, we weren't even going to film this side, but my top bracket doesn't want to break loose. The top bolt for the bracket doesn't want to break loose. Every job could be an adventure, I suppose. Hoping by shaking the stupid bracket itself. Oh yeah, let's round it off. That's funny. This doesn't go on it, but the socket does.
Maybe there's a little more.
Do you see how this is loose?
Yeah.
But the socket fit.
Maybe there's a little more play with the. Well, how?
Oh, I'll tell you what the problem. No, this is a 12.2, isn't it?
No, about to say, are there more points maybe or less?
So, as you saw, how I broke this free, this bolt that didn't want to come out. You saw I got a hold of this, and by moving this,
yep,
it broke the rust free. So if you're ever having this horrible problem, and if you can get at least get one of them out, if you can rock this, you just saw yourself, it came loose.
Yep.
So that's how you get that loose. Stupid. Almost see a trip to run-ins in my future to get a new one of these, maybe.
Yep.
Oh, you're a welder. You just weld a different nut on there, and I have to go nowhere.
Well, we're gonna do this like the oil plug on my Spark.
That's what we did with the oil plug on that Spark. We just welded a nut. Yeah, that's a sweet shot too. I mean, here's the thing. I definitely can get this back in.
Yeah.
Next time, you need a pair of vice grips to get it back out. So that's the difference between working on your own car. I know I'm going to see this car again. So I really don't want to put this back in if I don't have to, unless we weld a nut on it. Because next time that trick I just showed you ain't gonna work next time. Let's just put it that way. Oh no, these are frozen. Oh, see how these are frozen?
Yep.
Oh no. You might be buying a cow.
God damn it.
Have to get my wrench set up. See if it can break me free right now. Oh my goodness. And I gotta tell you a crazy freaking story. On my Hyundai Elantra car right behind you guys. The freaking thing, it needed these brackets.
Mm-hmm.
It was cheaper to buy cheap Chinese calipers and just rob the brackets off than buy brackets. It was like $5 cheaper to buy the crappy calipers, which I never used because I didn't trust the son of a guns. Oh, for this, I mean, that's not a big deal. Unbelievable, you know what I mean? I was like, how does that even work? Oh, man. We're gonna try to loosen these now. Should this be its own video? Should this just twist a little bit? Okay. Oh man. Come on, the one twist that got me all excited. Oh man. Oh crap. Ah. And all the half-inch sizes are American. Oh my goodness. I'll have to see if I find a 17mm half-inch socket. Huh. Now this, that one turns nice. This other one. Get that loose though. Phew! I know, how rude of me. What an animal! He's spitting and stuff. Now yeah, this one's what turns too. But they go in and out. Man. So, do you people want to learn how, excuse me, I got rust in my mouth, how to fix this problem? Because I'll need to take it to the shop to do that. So, I guess, you want to buy a new one? You want to fix this one?
Let's fix that one.
I'll pause the video, and we will take it to the shop.
No.
Yes?
Yes.
Alright, so milling drill bit.
Babe, turn on the lights.
Hopefully I got the right one. Got my drill. Got my bracket. And now we're going to try to get this bracket to at least work temporarily. So if he wants to order a new one, hopefully he can make magic happen. There is a bunch. The chisel. We got him to turn. That's a good sign. Oh, he got back to not turn. Oh, sure. Only been a minute. This was turning up to the house, right?
Yeah.
Both sides were turning. Oh, wow. The heck? What a jerk. This side is definitely the problem side. The side change needs a word. Well, they're both problems. This one doesn't even break a turn. Man. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take the chisel. I'm gonna try not to damage the rubber here. I don't want to rip your rubber, that's for sure. Cause you all sorts of problems. Man. I think it came out somewhere. No.
Yeah, I think it did.
Man. Sucker does not want to. Does not want to at all. Alright, had some penetrating oil around here at one point.
Babe, hold and record. Just point right at their spot.
There it is. Get the rubber peel back here. You see I'm carefully. Get the rubber back. Get it so you're spraying down. Or just a little skirty skirt. Or 2 or 3. There you go. And there. Let's do the same for this one. Try to work the rubber back. So much rust and crust. No, but no. Hang on, I'm not ready. I'll tell you when I'm ready. How's that for a deal? There you go. Got some penetrating oil in there. Come back to this one. Should have a rag. No rag. When you're a shop, there's a tinier hammer, right? Yeah, he doesn't want to leave at all. Definitely. Yeah, definitely rusted on there. There we go. 100%. Be right back with that. I was thinking. There we go. Thought I had him pinned down, but he had different ideas. Move. Turn your hammer. Try to drive this out. This should slide in and out with ease. That's not moving at all. That would be like one side had no brake pads, this one had pads left because I said it wasn't working. You know what I mean? See, that's what I wanted to do, right there. Boom. Whew. That's what I want to have happen on this side. Now what we're going to do, it's going to need to be wire wheeled. Because look at this gunk in here. This is a piece of rubber down here, so you don't want to rubber wheel that. See this piece of rubber?
Yep.
Don't rubber wheel that. Carefully, you're going to have to rubber wheel from like here to here. And after we get that done, you're going to figure out what size this is roughly. Just so you hone this out a little bit better. It's a little bit too big. Go through you don't want to make it too big, but you want to make it just about like this. See, this is just about right. It's just to bore it out. Then got to grease it and all this good stuff. So it's a process of getting this working again. Problem is this freaking side. One side came loose. So I guess there's hope, right?
Yep. I mean, it has moved out a little bit, I think.
Don't want to destroy this rubber. Self-evident to say this, but safety glasses are very important in this case, because if you don't want a piece of metal in your eyeball, that'll ruin your whole day. Oh, here's a little screwdriver. There. So it'd be nice if this one. A little bit. Nothing you wanna. Stuff it downwards. just get it to break free. You know what I mean? I think that moved downwards, didn't it?
Yes.
Phew. Which you think, oh, geez, you moron, that's opposite direction you wanted to go, but if you get it moved back and forth, eventually it'll come out, right?
Yep.
Oh boy. This is one of those videos. If I was a good video maker, I'd edit this, speed all this up. Did it move?
Hard to say.
It felt like it was moving. I don't know if that's my imagination or not. I don't know if it's fitting it, putting clicks on it or not. Ah, God. That did go back, yeah. Right?
Yes.
Not imagining things.
Oh, that was 100% confirmed.
High on fumes from the blaster. All the kids watching me go into the corner and talk to their special friend. I need the blaster.
It's finally turning.
Moving a little bit. Holy crap. Man. Holy crap. Now we'll draw it out. Holy crap. Now to drive out. Freaking rubber's getting fucking compromised. At this point, try to get it off. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, the other one's still on there or something? Where's the other one? Oh, here it is. That one's for this one. That one's for that one. My gosh. How is this not off yet?
Only I could wish I could tell you.
I mean, this is insane. Man. If I got a twist, then it'd be more apt to try to come out, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Because, you know, this is the most disheartening part of it. How far does that go? Oh, it goes through the back. If you're wondering, yeah, thought crossing a person's mind to try to just punch it out from the back, drill a hole in. Like that, you know, a-hole. Oh my gosh. I don't think a Elantra came out this hard, did it?
No.
Yeah. Race down here. Looks like bigger. Oh, okay, that's a 17.
There we go. I think it's coming. Yep, it's coming finally. I think I see where it was. All right.
Look at that ball. But it's not even the same.
That is strange.
I'm gonna. This is extremely freaking strange. You're not even the freaking same. This one came out pretty easy because it had the rubber down on the bottom. This one you can see, as you so graphically described, is dry as heck. I won't say what he said, but I don't want to know how he knows them things, but that is friggin'. Whew.
Never seen Dumb and Dumber?
Nope. And you may have watched a totally different movie than I did. Maybe you downloaded the wrong Dumb and Dumber. There we go. Now it's a set. Okay. Holding out them stupid. So this is the one that came out hardest, right?
Yes.
The one with number 3 on it. A little bit too big. Let's go with this one. Oh, change it. Oh, I hate to get everything off fucking gunk. You know what I mean?
Yep.
What? I haven't bring one pair of gloves. Just where I wrote to. Well, I'll be right back. Pause that.
Barry from behind.
So, now I got my drill. I'll try to hone this out. And I know this isn't a hone in bit, and all right, hang on just a second. All right, we're just gonna just add a little bit of oil. Or not. What the heck's wrong with that? Well, anyways, try to use a proper oil, but there you go. Now turn on. That's the whole point of this. All right, let's go to this other side. We'll give this a little oil. Just try to get out vertical. There you go. Just trying to get that cleaned out as best we can. Yeah, look at all that black come out. A lot of friggin' crap in there. Good case of. Probably go grab some Q-tips maybe, and we'll Q-tip it out.
Yep.
Now I just gotta clean some of that gunk out of there. It's not too bad. Get it all cleaned out. Then we can re-lubricate it and get everything Ain't too bad. Probably clear up this way. They should top around where all the debris is and crap. That's probably pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this out of the rice. And one at a time, we're going to put these in. Almost. Back up. There we go. Gotta put these in. These need to be wire wheeled now to try to take this rust and corrosion off so we can re-lubricate. Right on the tables. I'll tell you that one. There's one right there. You wanna wire wheel it or?
No, no.
Well, hang on, so I can grab these and throw these away. Gotta keep a tidy shop. As I pan over and show a pure chaos.
I was about to say, is that when you make the me joke and pan over?
Yeah. Woo! The feel of a grease flying off that sucker, man. Crap's flying everywhere. You can see how I cleaned it right up really nice. So now when we put this back in and lubricate it, undo that. Actually work properly.
That is the hope, at least.
Well, at least until you get the new one. I mean, like we found out on the Elantra, I mean, when we cleaned out Alvaro, it worked for 2 or 3 months, and we re-cleaned it, and it worked for 2 or 3 months. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it gave me time to realize that I needed new ones. Well, who knows? On this, we might check in 2 or 3 months, and it might be working perfectly.
This one I gotta be careful because of that rubber.
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna spin it.
Why don't you just change size?
So people don't have to keep turning around.
Well, we already moved. Yeah! And just think, this video began with me showing a simple trick on how to get the bracket loose.
Yeah.
When the bolt didn't want to cooperate.
Yep, now I got that cleaned up pretty good, but there's still a little just crud that's been kind of sticking to it, so instead of chasing around and around, I can grab that. What's this and clean up a little under here. Clean off. Top.
There's that. Pause this. Alright, I am lubricating the shaft here.
Lubricating the shaft, you said?
Yeah. Sure. Put some more in here. Oh my gosh. And then now it will look at shut.
Yep.
Rubber back on
Should we lubricate that one too? Or on after you get the rubber back
it.
on?
Put the rubber on this. That's how I just did the other one, right? Yeah, the rubber on. That way I can run down and get caught in there. Yeah,
Yep.
This. Okay then. Problem here.
That rubber's compressing up.
Let's see if the rubber's compressing. Oh, that's not freaking good. Oh man.
Should I rim it out a little more?
Stupid thing. I might have to. This I gotta gently go down in there. No. Is it? There you go. Just need to be pushed a little bit harder. There you go. Actually move now like we should.
Yep.
As far as it's supposed to go, yep. Look what it is as far as they should, right?
Yep.
There you go. That's how you save an old bracket, at least temporarily.
Yep.
Anyways, I thought it was gonna be a short video on how to break a stupid bolt loose. Turned into an adventure on how to fix a stupid bracket. But
Your question while we're here, you just want to wire wheel all this so it's ready to take the pads.
yeah, I could do that.
Yep. Now, if you've seen our
You
other,
want it like this, or
yeah, I'll do it like that. I'll let you hold
oh, can you do it without touching this fall?
without touching in that groove.
No, touch my rubbers and fucking them up with that wire wheel. Because wire wheel gets close enough, it'll destroy them. Probably better off doing it by hand again.
Yep. I didn't think of that.
Yeah, because I don't want to. I got way too much work into this. So I think the best rasp in the world.
But it works.
You know what we're doing? We're filing out this groove.
Oh.
That's loose enough now. Man.
Yep.
Just hang on to that for a second. Exact opposite problems we had before.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a Q-tip and wipe that.
Dude, we'll clean it out. Here, now we got these cleaned out, so. Oh, sucker. We'll slap this down in here. Nitro go off. Yeah, because this rubber's it got damaged. I mean,
Yep.
Probably new bracket is in its future. This is just temporary.
Yeah, it gives me a couple weeks to maybe a month.
I'll give you 2 or 3 months if you need it. I mean, it gives you a while.
Yeah.
But anyway, this horse don't kill himself on it. And well, simple video turned into epic saga like usual. Anyways, comment below on how I should have just gone to Advanced Auto Part and overpaid for one and saved myself all this aggravation.
Yep.
Like, subscribe, all that good crap. Peace.